Okay. Damn, one of them, just ran out and didn't grab no shoes or nothing, Jesus. He got that Cadillac rolling with that juice on it. Ain't that bitch running? That bitch running. I can't fuck with him. Dang. Yeah, we behind this truck, y'all. Let me see. Oh, he must finna race this truck. Let me see and make sure they didn't gave. Hey, man, you ain't running me?
I'm about to run him.
Oh, you finna run him? Okay. Okay. Damn. I don't know who the hell we gonna do race. Damn, who shit hitting like that? What's this bitch? God damn, shit getting low. Yeah. Ooh, okay. I hear you. Well, he getting low, ain't he?
SS.
Yeah.
SUV SS.
Yeah, that's the SUV SS. Y'all be holding that. Yeah, this is simple. Larry, Ronnie Barnes, don't get him.
Leave him
Don't get
alone.
him. Yeah.
That's nobody else.
Yeah, Ronnie Barnes, move your car.
I apologize.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
wish you a good race.
Yeah. She's holding up the line, y'all.
No.
Got this man mad. Now we need to find a race. Here another one. Another one. Let me go see. Yeah, you can pull it up some more. Yeah, you can pull it up some more. Hey, she finna pull it up. I don't know who we gonna. Let me tell him. She pulling it up. She pulling it up right. Moving it up right now. Look at her. Yeah, she pulling it up right now. Who you want me to run?
Anybody want to run?
Okay, anybody I want. They ain't been wanting to run me. Only cars, the faster cars been wanting to run. Okay. I was gonna say, let me see you give it a look. Nah, you don't even, do you know how to, man, I gotta see your rev game. I gotta see, she probably don't even know how to rev, y'all. Let me see something. Oh, we got Rodney C back there with the 60.
Small block motor.
Yeah, you seen that? Yeah.
Twin turbo.
Small block, twin turbo, dark block.
Man, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
It ain't for sale or what? They
I don't know.
I need my 416.
Oh, okay, yeah. 408.
See that baby right there? That
Yeah, he mad. He mad.
Black Monte Carlo say he wants your ass.
Again tonight? He here?
He here. He just put it out
Gonna
there.
cost him $1,000.
Damn, that's a whole new house.
Yeah. See?
Oh, you gonna make it right back though? You
Yeah,
gonna
yeah. We're gonna get him. I got some new tires on there. I got to put brand new. Some sticky Mickeys. I got them sticky Mickeys, y'all. Hey, okay. Uh-oh. I got them sticky Mickeys, y'all. We just gonna make a solo pass. Hey, I think we just gonna do a solo.
Yeah, come on back around.
Y'all
Come
not
back.
racing nobody?
Yeah.
Come back on this
And-
side.
okay, bet.
Boy, back
They're not
around
racing
here.
nobody either.
No, they ain't racing nobody. Yeah. Yeah, we just gonna make a solo, y'all. Hey, we just gonna make a solo. I can go now?
Yeah, go make a solo.
Okay. Okay, come on. Boom. Okay, y'all, we finna go and do this thing. All my people watching on TikTok, it'd be best if... Yeah, I'm just going... oh, shit. Yeah, I wasn't racing nobody.
You wasn't racing
Nuh-uh.
nobody?
Uh-uh.
Oh, man, you out.
Nuh-uh. I ain't running nobody. Let me see. Let me hurry up and get this thing running. Get this air going. Okay. Come on with it. We got the modeling going. Okay. All my people watching on TikTok, y'all get over here to my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, cause it's over with for y'all. Okay.
My seatbelt for safety.
Seatbelt for safety. Okay, let me see. Yeah, here, boom, I'm gonna take one out. You wanna hold just how you wanna do?
Oh,
Alright, here you go.
I got my phone.
Turn the mix out. Oh, boom. Well, you wanna put it up here and just do it with your phone and then I get it later, or you wanna do both?
I got both.
Alright, bet.
I'm gonna record my reaction.
Okay.
You better beat him.
Who you racing?
As Miata's been getting lucky lately, you better beat him.
Get on his ass.
Oh, he being a little Cooper. You gotta race a little Cooper.
Okay.
Get it.
Okay, that's them new tires.
Come on.
Look out, look out.